In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a .fbx file with textures in Blender 2.92. If you're new to Blender, or even if you're just trying to get a handle on how to ensure your 3D models are all set with textures for use in other applications, this guide is for you. Let's jump right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to open Blender and have your project file ready with the model or models you plan to export. If you've got it all set, go ahead and take a moment to make sure everything looks good. Check that all the textures are applied as expected on your models. This step is crucial because once they're exported, any texture anomaly is much tougher to sort out. A quick verification now can save you a headache later. Now we move to the exporting process. Navigate to the upper left corner of the screen and find the File menu. Click on it, and in the drop-down, proceed by selecting Export. From the list of export options provided, choose FBX. This choice is essential because .fbx files are highly compatible with most 3D software, making them a go-to format for transferring models between different platforms. Once you've selected FBX, a new window will appear with various export options on the right side. Here, you need to focus on a few key settings to ensure a proper export. First, look for the section that allows you to choose the objects you want to export. You can select individual objects or collections, whatever suits your project. Take your time with this selection as it determines which parts of your scene will be exported. Next, let's dive into the export settings. You'll find an option labeled Path Mode. This is an important setting as it tells Blender how to handle your textures. Change the Path Mode setting to Copy. By choosing Copy, you're instructing Blender to include your texture files in the export package, which is essential for maintaining all texture information when moving your model to another application. In conjunction to this, make sure to click on the checkbox for Embed Textures, found right next to Path Mode. By enabling Embed Textures, you ensure that all your textures are packed directly into the .fbx file. This step is crucial because it keeps your textures intact and connected to your model when you open it in different software environments. Once you've double-checked these settings, you're ready to proceed. Simply click on the Export FBX button. Blender will take a moment to export your file, depending on its complexity and seek. And there you have it. Your model is now exported as an .fbx file with all its textures embedded directly, ready to be used across various software packages. I hope this walkthrough has demystified the process and set you up for success with your 3D projects. Thanks for tuning in, and happy modeling.